Today we're going to talk about discipline, patience, and protecting the money you have in your account. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Another beautiful sunny day in Perth. Today we're going to be talking about patience, discipline, and protecting the money that you have in your account. Bill Lipschutz said that if most traders would learn to sit on their hands 50% of the time, they would probably make more money. And this is something that I've had to learn the hard way. And I've talked about shifting 99% of my trading to end of day. And even when I do use the hourly trading system, it's all based on the end of day. And one of the hardest things to do when you step back and you go to the longer time frames is to not be on the screen at all. Now I've narrowed that down to a window of time in the morning where literally, based on the way that I trade on the opening range Monday, Tuesday, that it really literally only takes a minute to assess each chart. Now I've really had to break that morning process down in terms of how I analyze the markets every single day to make sure that I follow that process consistently. And that's just me, because I can be distracted easily. I can get caught up in looking at other charts or looking at things instead of just sticking to my morning routine. And I talk about using Metastock to scan over the 26 different instruments that I follow to narrow it down based on price action. But even then I need to go through 12 main pairs each day to look for these simple setups that I look for. And then from there it's basically placing a limit order in a strong trending market, a market order with my stop predefined by the maximum bar that I'm entering in on. So that all comes back down to having the understanding of understanding your model and the approach that you have to trading. So if I use Monday's opening range, I know that I don't need to be on the screen on Monday, and I try to use that time wisely. Again, to I talk about lifestyle. I talk about if you haven't done so, get my 7-step daily routine for high performance traders. It's about creating the life that you want, developing the vision of who it is that you want to become, the trader that you want to become, the lifestyle that you want to achieve. Not so much based on material things, but for you as a person, what is it that you're trying to achieve through your trading goals, and then aligning your daily routine right down to the smallest steps around those goals and making them congruent with the outcomes that you're trying to achieve. You can't control the results of your trading, but you can control your approach to the markets. You can control the process. And one of the biggest challenges for most retail traders is to be patient and to have the discipline, number one, to stick to your trading plan, but number two, just to allow your account and your skills to compound and grow. We talk about focusing on constant progress. Most retail traders are trying to get rich this week. And in doing so, they over leverage, they over trade, they take trades outside of their trading plan, they take emotional trades, they get angry, they get revenge trades, and I've done all this. And when you work on your mindset and you really understand, if you develop the skills, if you develop your edge and sharpen that edge and you work at it consistently, the capital side of things will take care of itself, because the market is scalable and there's no limits essentially. It doesn't take that much time before you can get your trading account up to a certain size where it certainly is replacing an income. And it's not only replacing an income, but it's also providing you with lifestyle. So I really would encourage you to be patient and disciplined and protect your trading capital. Those are the three things that will hopefully ensure your longevity, but at the same time you need to be able to focus on constant progress and keep sharpening your edge, or if your edge is producing, to stick with that edge. You're always looking to see how you can improve your skills, but in a lot of cases it's also about being consistent and just being able to reproduce that on a daily and a weekly basis. So hopefully you got some value from today's video, traders. Step back, take a look at your daily approach, look at how can you perhaps take yourself off the screen to not only limit mistakes and limit the downside, but also to enhance your results, and be willing to be patient and allow those gains to compound for you by not taking trades that are outside of your plan and sticking to just being focused on the process itself. So stay disciplined, stay focused, be patient. The gains will take care of themselves. Protect your capital, and improve your lifestyle. Stay healthy. Focus on getting better. How good can we get? I love Mike Bellafiore. I just love him saying that. Trading is like sport, and the elite athletes are always trying to stay at the peak of their game, and they usually work harder than everybody else. So that's where we need to be as traders, and we need to be consistent and just keep working on getting better. Have a great trading week, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you. Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.